Hi, my name is Carlo Balta with Naddour's Custom Metalwork on Baltic Iron Doors. Today I'd like to go over a couple of things that a lot of our clients are a little bit skeptical about, is how to choose the right company for you. As you know, with every product out there, there's many variations that you could get and many different quality standards that you could receive. With the custom wrought iron industry, it's all custom manufactured. So all depending on the organization and what they offer and what they've kind of created the skills for is the products that they produce. So just like furniture, you could get, the average furniture, or you could get a very, customized furniture, and it's all about the details that they incorporate. And as you know, with furniture, there's a more cost-effective route, and then there is also the high-end furniture. So here at Naddour's Custom Metalwork, we focus on the quality and the details. And that's what differentiates us, and that's what makes us so valuable for all the custom homes that we produce throughout Orange County, San Diego, LA County, San Bernardino County, and also we've been requested to travel up north, San Francisco area, the Bay Area, and Hawaii, and so forth. Right now we are shipping our Baltic door line nationwide, because it is something that we could actually get the details of it and the measurement specifications, and then pretty much ship it anywhere in the country. With our Naddour's Custom Metalworks, it's the railings, which require templating and more field measurements, so it doesn't tend to allow us to travel nationwide. So those are our demographics for now. But how to choose the right company for you is the most important question that I get asked a lot. And I get a lot of confusion from our clients where they invest in a company and they end up getting a product that's subpar. One thing that I always tell all my clients is go visit the facility. That's when you can determine on the quality standards that they produce, and you can see the level of expertise that they have. I'll be going over some of the products that we produce here, and you can go on our website as well and look at the different projects that we've done to know the quality standards that we carry here. The way we do things here at Naddour's Custom Metalwork on Baltic Iron Doors is we send one of our project coordinator out to meet up with our clients, and what they do is they take all the information that is needed for the project, and from there we bring that information back to sit down with our design team to coordinate what is the best option, best solution for our clients. At the end of the day, our goal is to beautify our clients' lives. And people ask me, what do you do for a living? I say I beautify people's lives. So with that information, once we get it back, we narrow down the design details, the layouts, our engineering team reviews it, and the estimating department puts the information together for the client. And then from there it gets passed out to one of our fabricators. So if you take a look right here, everything that we do here starts from scratch. All the pieces come in 20-foot long, and what we do is the design is laid out at full scale across our workbenches to make sure that it passes all the code requirements, and it gets puzzled together. And one thing that I always highlight, with the way we do things here, each one of these are hand forged and puzzled together as any puzzle is put together. So if you take a look right here, what differentiates quality standards? Okay, most what we do here is when these are fitted in together, the one thing that we do additional from others out there is, if you take a look at every scroll, we taper it down in order when we puzzle it together with the other material and it's welded, it looks like it splits off of a single strand. And that is one step that we do extra than a lot of the other fabricators out there. So if you take a look at this, you see how this thing is puzzled together, and then when it gets welded, it looks like it splits out of a single strand. But in most other fabricators out there, what they do is they take this, they cut it, and then they put it right here, they weld it, but you still always have a hump right here that you really cannot eliminate doing it this way. So all of these, all of these things are small details that differentiates the overall investment that you invest with the company, because it mainly comes down to more labor that they're incorporating into the product in order for you to get a beautiful, perfect finish. If you take a look right here, all of these are actually hand forged and put together, each piece, puzzled it together, each piece at a time. So once it goes through the fabrication process, what we do is it gets inspected before it goes to the second phase. Second phase is what also differentiates the outcome of the product as well. This is more of the grinding and detail work. So product gets inspected, it gets passed to this stage, and this is where we go through all the full design, and we make sure everything, all the welds are grounded down smooth, so that way everything is seamless. That's also another big step on how you differentiate the quality of, and how what kind of product you're going to get at the end of the day. So pay attention to the joints on how the metal is put together, and the smoothness of the product of all the joint pieces where they come together. So as you see right here, all of our products go through this stage. We make sure everything is grounded smooth, looks perfect. When you get it at your house, it is flawless and gorgeous and detailed. To extend the longevity of the product, we zinc metallize it. Zinc metallizing is an anti-rust protection that goes first layer on the metal. And if you take a look at behind you right here on this fence right here, okay, this is a zinc metallized product, and we do it on all the balconies as well. I get this question a lot on, how about powder coating? Powder coating is it's a very durable finish. One thing that I always say, powder coating is great on furnitures, pieces of things that you could just put it in the back of your truck, take it and get it re-powder coated. Something that's large and gets anchored structurally into the house, you want to make sure that you have the ability to refinish it down the line by getting it treated properly with the anti-rust protection, then the primer, and then the paint finish on top of that. Just want to say thank you guys for always giving us the opportunity to be part of this beautiful thing that we produce here. We're always excited and honored to have this kind of a skill set to provide for all our clients and touch our clients everyday lives. I hope that this video was helpful on how to choose the right company for you. Again, this is not a off-the-shelf product. This is something that is done by hand, and it is hand created. So you want to make sure that the company has the right skill sets to create these beautiful things that we want to achieve. Thank you, and we look forward to helping you. Please give us a call, and we're here to help.